this door works is there's a bolt way up there that has to be undone, which will allow the whole side over here to pull apart. This will be able to pull apart from this column. And there was a bunch of nails. This column got smacked at one point and it was displaced slightly. Somebody tried to fix it by nailing some nails in here, which we had to remove. And Buck put I think a dowel in here so that it could ride up and down. But if you need to take the door off the cabinet, that's what you do. You unbolt that bolt, which is inside right there, and then you just kind of spread this whole thing apart. You can put your foot right here and just spread that apart, and that allows the door to come out. But ordinarily, you would not ever need to do that. We hope. We hope that our repair and restoration will last another, several hundred years. Okay. Nice looking piece.